Hey everyone, today we're just going to do a quick one. We're going to put these brass handles in from igrab.com.au. We'll put the link in the description below. So to install these, we are going to use the Caboodle handle template. It's okay. Pros and cons, if you care, we'll talk about this a little bit in a future video when we talk about the rest of the kitchen. But right now we'll just get on with this. There's a couple of ways you can use this template. It really comes down to how confident you are with power tools. The first way would be to hold it up, mark it. Probably with a pencil might be a bit easier if you do make a mistake to clean it off, or you can just power through with your drill. Just be careful, there are a lot of holes on the template, so just make sure you're drilling the right one. Just double check that again and again. I did make a mistake somewhere, but I was able to hide it, so not a problem. So what we want to do is, these are 160mm handles that we're putting in, and the numbers are on here, like all your measurements for your different size handles. I'm not sure if you can see that very well there. So the 160mm, we have Alpine paneling. So with the Caboodle template, it actually tells you which row of holes that you should use for each individual door profiling. So with the Alpine, we've got 160 here. So what I do is I just use Texta, sit it on the bottom of the cupboard and just slide the template down to sit there, so that it's always measured from the bottom of that door. And then we can just do our mark here and a mark up here, right? So no, we'll do that one again. That one there. So we've got our 2 marks there, right? You can just skip the Texta mark and just power through. Just be careful of what's on the other side of the cupboard. In this case, we've got a range hood. So we'll just finish these holes off real quick. There we go. We'll vacuum up all the sawdust when we're finished here. Okay, I just put the top screw in finger tight. Just kind of locates the handle in the right spot, so you don't need to hold it anymore. And then we put the bottom one in. And just start the thread off nice, make sure that we're not cross-threading it, so that we can finish tightening it up with our impact driver. I find this to just be a bit quicker, easier, and the screws kind of stay in for longer. I find if you do it by hand with just a normal screwdriver, you don't really get the right torque down on those screws, and the screws kind of wind out after a little while. With the impact driver, it really drives that screw in and holds it in tight. So I'll finish off this other handle, and we'll see you next time.